The Golden Pass Express team welcomes you on the train to Spiez, Zweisimmen, Gstaad, Montreux. Next stop, Spiez.
Prochain arrêt, Montbovon.
There is a connection to Lausanne and Geneva. Thank you for traveling with the Golden Pass Express. We wish you a nice onward journey.